Good morning, student of class 4th. How are you? I hope you all are fine. In my previous video, I am discussing the book exercises of the chapter. Today again I will discuss book exercises and question answer of the chapter. So student, please take one rough copy and your book also. Note down the book exercises in the book, and when you are watching the video, please note down the doubts, and you can ask your doubts in online classes. Yes student, we have completed book exercises. Question number 8, tick the correct answer. This we have completed. After that, fill in the blanks. All these fill in the blanks we have completed. Then question number C, match the column. We have completed this question also. Now today we will start from question number D. First question, the earth position from the sun in the solar system. See, what is the meaning of this question, student? The meaning of this question is that we know that how many planets are in our solar system, student? We know that there are 8 planets in our solar system, and our earth is also a planet. So total number of planets in the solar system are 8. Now student, we have to tell, and all these planets are taking round of the sun. Now in this question it is asked, what is the position of our earth? It means out of 8 planets, what is the position of our planet, that is earth, from the sun. So student, I have already explained you in the chapter also, the position of our planet earth in the solar system is third. So note down the answer in your book. The earth's position from the sun in the solar system, answer is third. Note down the answer in your book, because you have to do book exercises in the book, and student, you will write question answers in the and different diagrams. You will draw diagram and question answer of the chapter in the classwork copy. Let's discuss question number 2. See, the only planet to have life on it. Again student, how many planets are there in our solar system? 8. But out of 8 planets, there is only one planet on which life is possible. What does it mean? It means that all the conditions which are required for the life, such as air, water and food, all these things are present in this planet. So student, the name of the planet in which life is possible due to the presence of air, water and food. So name of the planet is Earth. Note down in your book. The planet, the only planet to have life on it. So answer number second, answer is that Earth. Earth is also known as our living planet. Note down the answer in your book. Now let's see question number 3. The planet closest to the sun. So student, how many planets are in our solar system? 8. Now student, we have to tell the name of the planet which is very close to the sun. It means its position is 1. Our earth, its position is in the first question, the earth position from the sun in the solar system. We have written the answer 3rd. Now which is the closest planet to the sun? It means its position is 1. So student, the name of the planet is Mercury. Note down the answer in your book. The planet closest to the sun is Mercury. Next question. 4th question. The planet that has rings around it. So student, we have to tell the name of the planet that has rings around it. So student, the name of the planet is Saturn. Yes, the name of the planet that has rings around it known as Saturn. Note down in your class, in your book. Now student, do you know why this planet has ring around it? See student, and the position of this planet from the sun is 6. Okay, this planet has a ring around it and the position of this planet from the sun is 6th position. And one more thing I will tell you about this planet is what? It is the, firstly you tell me which is the largest planet. Largest planet of the solar system is Jupiter. Largest planet of the solar system is Jupiter. And this Saturn is the second largest planet of the solar system. Okay, its position from the sun is 6. Its position from the sun is 6. Okay, and which is the largest planet in the solar system? That is Jupiter. And Saturn is the second largest planet of the solar system. And see student, in this planet you will see, बेटा आपको इस planet में जो Saturn है बोलते हैं Saturns में rings हैं. तो how these rings are formed? Saturns के जो ring जो है ना, these are dust particles and ice. ठीक है, जो कि सरफेस, प्लेनेट के सरफेस पे ये क्या हो गए हैं, फिक्स्ड हो गए हैं ड्यू टू द ग्रेविटी ऑफ द प्लेनेट. ठीक है, तो ये जो रिंग्स आपको लगते हैं ये एक्चुअली डस्ट पार्टिकल्स एंड आइस है. ठीक है, जो हमें रिंग की तरह दिखाई देते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. the planet furthest from the sun. So we know that there are 8 planets in our solar system, and which is the furthest planet from the sun. It means we have to tell the name of the planet whose position is 8th, whose, because total number of planets are 8 and furthest means सबसे दूर कौन है सन से. इसका मतलब हमें ऐसे प्लेनेट का नाम बताना है जिसकी पोजीशन सन से क्या है, 8th पोजीशन है. सो स्टूडेंट, द नेम ऑफ द प्लेनेट इज नेपट्यून. Note down in your book the planet furthest from the sun, or you can, it can also be asked in the examination in this manner also, which is the planet whose position is 8th from the sun. In this manner also the teacher can ask the question. So the answer is Neptune. Is it clear? Okay. Now see, now we will discuss these questions. Write short answer to the following question. So first of all we discuss the first question. First question is, what makes the solar system? What makes the solar system? Okay, so student, the answer is, you can note down the answer. The sun, as when I am teaching you already, at that time I explained you the sun and its 8 planet and their satellites. Planets के भी satellites हैं. For example, natural satellite of our planet is which? The natural satellite of our planet Earth is moon. Okay, and all these things makes a solar system. All these things makes a solar system. So note down answer number 1, the sun, the 8 planets and their satellites, along with the some heavenly bodies and materials, form the solar system. Yeah, you can say makes the solar system. I repeat one time more. The sun, the 8 planets and their satellites, along with some other heavenly bodies and material, makes the solar system. Now question number 2. Why do we not feel the movement of earth? See student, we do not feel the movement of earth. What is the reason that? Because student, we are living on the surface of earth, and it means, and you know that student, that our earth is continuously spinning on its axis. It means we are also always moving with the earth. You are understanding what I am saying? See student, जो अर्थ है वो क्या कर रही है, अपने एक्सिस पे एक इमेजिनरी लाइन है, जैसे लट्टू घूमता है ना, उसी तरह ये भी स्पिन कर रही है. एंड वी नो डैट, हमें पता है कि हम कहाँ रहते हैं, अर्थ के सरफेस पे रहते हैं. तो जब अर्थ स्पिन कर रही है कंटिन्यूस, तो हम भी तो उसके संग स्पिन कर रहे हैं. दैट इज द रीजन स्टूडेंट, हमें वी डू नॉट फील द मूवमेंट ऑफ अर्थ, बिकॉज हम भी उसके साथ मूव कर रहे हैं, हम भी तो अर्थ पे हैं. अगर अर्थ स्पिन कर रही है, इट मीन्स वी आर ऑल्सो स्पिनिंग. or I have explained you with a very simple example of a bus, that when we are in a moving bus, जब हम एक moving bus में बैठे होते हैं तो we do not feel the movement. We do not feel the movement. Instead, it appears as if you are looking outside the window, what you will find? You will find that the trees, houses, etc. are moving with the bus. ठीक है, हम विंडो में से बैठ के देखते हैं, जब बस मूव कर रही होती है तो हम भी उसमें बैठे होते हैं, हमें उसकी मूवमेंट की फीलिंग नहीं होती है, लेकिन इफ यू सी फ्रॉम द विंडो तो आपको लगता है कि हम जैसे बस मूव कर रही है, विंडो से हमें लगता है ट्रीज भी संग संग मूव कर रहे हैं, रोड भी मूव कर रहा है, हाउसेस भी मूव कर रहे हैं, ऐसा देखने को मिलता है ना. तो दैट इज द रीजन. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, वाई डू वी नॉट फील द मूवमेंट ऑफ अर्थ? सो आंसर इज we do not feel the movement of earth because we are moving along with earth. क्योंकि हम अर्थ के सरफेस पे रह रहे हैं, अर्थ स्पिन कर रही है, इसका मतलब हम भी स्पिन कर रहे हैं. दैट इज द रीजन हमें ऐसा फील नहीं होता है. इज इट क्लियर? आई रिपीट माई आंसर. वी नॉट फील द मूवमेंट ऑफ अर्थ बिकॉज we are moving along with earth. Now question number 3, how can it be proved that the earth is round? So I have already explained you student that in the beginning many people are afraid to sail out to the sea because उन्हें ऐसा लगता था कि अर्थ क्या है, फ्लैट है, जब अर्थ का कॉर्नर आएगा तो वो ऊपर से गिर जाएंगे. ठीक है, इसलिए लोगों को पहले डर लगता था. तो दैट इज द रीजन इन दिस क्वेश्चन इट इज आस्क्ड दैट हाउ कैन इट बी प्रूव दैट द अर्थ इज राउंड? सो नोट डाउन द आंसर. द ग्रेट एक्सप्लोरर, मतलब किसने इसकी खोज की? राइट द आंसर. द ग्रेट एक्सप्लोरर Ferdinand Magellan, who proved that the earth is round. Even student, photographs taken from space also show that the earth is round. Is it clear? So question is, how can it be proved that the earth is round? Note down the answer. The great explorer Ferdinand Magellan, who proved that the earth is round. Photographs taken from space also show that the earth is round. So question number 3, how can it be proved that the earth is round? That is clear. Now give detailed answer to the following question. Give detailed answers to the following questions. Question number 1, what do you mean by revolution of the earth? What does it cause? So student, we have already discussed that what is revolution means taking or moving around the sun. How many planets are in our solar system, student? There are 8 planets in our solar system, and all these planets are moving around the sun in a fixed path, that is known as orbit. So in the same manner, our planet Earth is also moving around the sun, and this movement of our planet Earth around the sun ये जो हमारे प्लेनेट अर्थ की मूवमेंट है, जो सन का क्या लगा रहा है, राउंड ले रहा है, दिस मूवमेंट इज नोन एज रिवॉल्यूशन ऑफ द अर्थ. दिस मूवमेंट इज नोन एज revolution of the earth. Now second part of this question is, what does it cause? What does it mean? It means that due to the revolution of the earth around the sun, अर्थ क्या कर रही है, सन के चारों तरफ चक्कर लगा रही है, राउंड ले रही है उसका. सो second part it is asked, what is a form, what causes, अर्थ जो राउंड ले रही है सन का, इससे क्या हो रहा है, what does it cause? So student, what happens, I have already explained you in my previous video that due to these revolution of the earth we have different seasons. We have different seasons. Is it clear? Because see student, how this weather change or how these seasons are formed, it depends upon the sunlight. It depends upon the sunlight. I explain you also that in North Pole and South Pole, this area receive very less sunlight. Only sun is visible for 3 to 4 months. Okay, so this area receive very less light. So what happen, what type of a season is there? Maximum time it is cold. हमेशा वहाँ बहुत ठंडे एरिया बोला जाता है इनको, नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल, क्योंकि यहाँ सन की जो रेज है ना, वो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं जाती हैं अर्थ के इस पोर्शन पे. इज इट क्लियर? क्योंकि अर्थ इज सो बिग डैट इसके जो अपर पोर्शंस हैं, भले शेप ऑफ द अर्थ इज स्फेरिकल है, बॉल की तरह है, लेकिन बॉल छोटी सी होती है, इसलिए तुम लोग इमेजिन नहीं कर पाते हो. तुम लोग को लगेगा कि बॉल के ऊपर कुछ भी रखेंगे वो स्लिप होके नीचे हो जाएगा, लेकिन स्टूडेंट आपकी अर्थ का साइज इतना ज़्यादा बड़ा है, इतना ज़्यादा बड़ा है कि ये क्या है, ऊपर स्लाइटली फ्लैटेंड लगती है, स्लाइटली क्या फ्लैटेंड लगती है. इज इट क्लियर? और दैट इज द रीज़न इन नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल, ठीक है, यहाँ पे सनलाइट क्या है, बहुत कम पहुँचती है. ये अर्थ का ऐसा पोर्शन है विच डू नॉट गेट मैक्सिमम सनलाइट. दैट इज द रीज़न. what type of a weather is here? Maximum time it is cold. Maximum time it is cold. Okay student, so question is, what do you mean by revolution of the earth? What does it cause? Now note the answer. Firstly मैंने तुम्हें explain कर दिया, अब आंसर लिख, you can write the answer. The movement of earth around the sun, is it clear? The movement of earth around the sun on its orbit is called revolution. The movement of earth around the sun on its orbit is called revolution. Okay, now next part, does it cause? It means due to revolution what happens? So student, the answer is, revolution of earth around the sun causes, revolution of earth around the sun causes different seasons, because seasons are formed due to the sunlight. If any part of the earth receive more and more light, then it means what type of season is there, what type of a weather, climate, what type of weather is there? Hot. Is it clear? I explained you the countries which are on the equator. Equator means the line which divide the earth. अगर अर्थ को एक ऑरेंज मानो और बीच से उसे काटते हो, तो जो उसका सेंटर पॉइंट है, जो मैंने आपको टीच किया था, अपर पार्ट को बोलते हैं नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर और नीचे वाले को बोलते हैं साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. इज इट क्लियर? सो मैक्सिमम सनलाइट बेटा पता है किस पार्ट को मिलती है? जो पार्ट इक्वेटर है, जहां से आपने मिडल से अर्थ को डिवाइड किया. तो जो कंट्रीज इस एरिया में होती हैं वहां हमेशा गर्मी का मौसम होता है, बहुत गर्मी होती है वहां. इज इट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट, सन ये हो गया. रिवोल्यूशन ऑफ अर्थ अराउंड द सन काजेज डिफरेंट सीजन्स. अर्थ टेक 1 year 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. One revolution around the sun. So this is a complete answer. Next, why is the distance of earth from the sun so important? See student, earth is the only unique planet on which life is possible, because here air is also present, water is also present, food is also present, sunlight is also there. All the condition which are by which the life is possible, all these things are present on the planet earth. Now it is asking why the distance of earth from the sun is important. मतलब जो अर्थ और सन में इतना जो डिस्टेंस है ना, क्या इस डिस्टेंस की भी इंपॉर्टेंस है? यस स्टूडेंट, द अर्थ का सन से जो इतना डिस्टेंस है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वाई? बिकॉज सी सनलाइट, सन रेज गिव लॉट ऑफ हीट. if the earth is close to the sun, then what happens? जितनी भी लाइफ है कुछ भी पॉसिबल नहीं होता, बिकॉज ड्यू टू द हीट ऑफ द सनलाइट एवरीथिंग बर्न्स. सारी चीजें जल जाती हैं सनलाइट से, लाइफ पॉसिबल होती ही नहीं. दैट इज अ रीजन सन और अर्थ का जो डिस्टेंस है इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Earth is at a right distance from the sun. Why? Because see student, if we are talking about the living organism, then it is divided into plants, animals and human beings. And you know student, plant are only the producer. सिर्फ प्लांट ही अपना भोजन बना सकते हैं. उनके लीव्स को किचन हाउस बोला जाता है प्लांट्स को. इज इट क्लियर? और वी आर टोटली डिपेंड अपॉन प्लांट्स फॉर आवर फूड, वेदर इट इज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग और एनिमल्स. इफ द डिस्टेंस इज नॉट राइट, देन व्हाट हैपेंस? all the things due to the heat of the sun burn. That is the reason it is a very distance of a earth from the sun is very important. सन और अर्थ के बीच का डिस्टेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये एकदम राइट डिस्टेंस पे है. इज इट क्लियर? ठीक है, हमें बहुत धूप लगती है बाहर जाने में, घर में आ जाते हैं हम फैंस चला लेते हैं, एसी चलाते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा तो नहीं है हम घर के बाहर भी, जैसे आप स्कूल आते हो प्लेग्राउंड में गेम्स खेलते हो, अगर सनलाइट आपको इतनी तेज लगे, अगर लाइट बहुत ही ज़्यादा हो तो हमारी बॉडी बर्न हो जाएगी ना. तो लाइट का, सनलाइट का जो डिस्टेंस है अर्थ से, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो नोट डाउन द आंसर. द डिस्टेंस ऑफ अर्थ फ्रॉम द सन सो इंपॉर्टेंट because without the sun heats and light, the earth would be lifeless. The earth would be lifeless and very cool. Sun warms our sea, causes weather and give energy to the growing green plants. that provides the food and oxygen for life on earth. Is it clear? Thank you, student.